Today, I'm going to show you how to mirror a video in CapCut on your computer. Whether you're on Windows or Mac, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to flip any video horizontally, which is especially useful if you want to reverse the direction of your footage, fix mirrored text, or just add a creative effect to your content. Let's get started right inside CapCut Desktop. First, go ahead and open up your project and add your video clip to the timeline. If you're brand new to CapCut, this just means dragging your video from your media library down into the timeline. Think of the timeline like your workspace, where everything comes together for editing. Once your clip is in the timeline, you'll need to select it by clicking directly on the video track. This step is really important because any changes we make will apply only to the clip that's highlighted. If you're working with multiple clips, double-check you've got the right one chosen. You'll see a colored outline or some kind of highlight around it. Now, direct your attention to the top right editing panel. This is where most of CapCut's powerful tools live. You're looking for the Video tab. It's usually labeled clearly, but if you don't see it right away, don't stress. Just scan across the top until you spot it. Once you're there, look for the Basic sub-tab inside the Video tab. It might sound simple, but Basic is where a lot of the essential tweaks happen, including the mirroring feature we're about to use. Scroll down in the Basic options until you find the section labeled Rotate and Mirror. If you haven't explored this area before, it's actually really handy for fixing orientation issues or adding effects. Sometimes you need to rotate a clip to straighten it out, or you want to reverse the visual direction for creative reasons. That's exactly what mirroring does. Next, click the Mirror button. Don't worry, nothing will take too long and CapCut tends to update instantly. The moment you click Mirror, your video on the timeline should flip horizontally. You'll notice it right away, almost like looking at a photo in a mirror. Anything facing left will now face right, and vice versa. This can be super useful, for example, if you filmed with a front-facing camera and your image is reversed, or you have text on a sign that's backward. Just mirror the clip and it all flips into place. Take a moment to review your video after mirroring. Sometimes the effect creates a new look that's perfect for your project. Other times you might notice small details you want to tidy up. Remember, you can always undo if you don't like the result, or experiment with rotating too if your footage needs more adjustment. And that's really all there is to it. Mirroring a video in CapCut Desktop is quick, easy, and gives you creative control over how your footage looks. Now you can confidently flip any clip to suit your story or fix those pesky reversed shots. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, let me know in the comments below. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical video editing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!